a very thank you for joining us for this Hair Talk 2015. I would like to give a great applause for the guests over here. Please everybody give a loud applause and welcome them. Thank you. Dear guests, to look good is everyone's right, and in our journey we are just trying to contribute a little to this right. With this latest technologies, our services and commitment to provide the best hair solutions to our clients. The commitment we dedicate to our client has again and again come back to us in the form of their trust and enable us to serve more number of people year after year. Today we can proudly share with you that we serve number of clients through our network of clients, doctors, consultants, technicians and our support staff. It has been a journey of 35 years. It all started with a strong vision, desire to serve with a commitment to resolve the people's problem. Now, with a great pleasure, I would like to invite our founder, Dr. S. Sareen, on the stage and light the lamp so that we can start with the beautiful and the transforming evening. Please, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So before we start, I would definitely want to add on the fact that a woman of substance is a woman of power, a woman of positive influence, and a woman of meaning. Founder and our mother, Dr. Sareen, believes that living by your morals and values in life inspires you, motivates you, and energizes you for doing something significant in the world. Thank you for being our inspiration. When Dr. Sareen founded Sareen Hair Clinic in 1981, the number of clinics that specialized in the treatment of hair loss could be counted on hand. Excellence is difficult to maintain. However, at Sareen Hair Clinic, from past 35 years, we are committed to change and transform the hair restoration industry through more education, research, and innovation. Hair loss or baldness is definitely not a life-threatening condition, but it does affect your self-esteem and confidence. It does, right?
2 साल पहले मुझे देखने वाले कहते थे तुम तो गंजे हो गए, और आज देख लीजिए काफ़ी अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे करवाने के बाद। अब कोई ये नहीं कह सकता गंजे हैं, और जॉब से लेकर के हर जगह रिश्तेदार से लेकर किसी को पता भी नहीं चला कब बाल आ गए।
Okay, so now hair transplant. Alright, how many of you know what exactly hair transplant is? Anybody? So I'll let you know. It just means taking out hair from the very back and sides of the head and artfully transplanting them to your thinning or balding areas. We take hair from where you have more to put it where you don't have it. Essentially, it is the redistribution of your existing hair. Since hair follicles are harvested from DHT resistant zone, the results are permanent. Now, since we are giving you what is permanent and will stay with you for lifetime, it is very important to give you something that you're very happy about. The basic and most important thing to make transplant successful is to design specifically the hairline. As hair grow differently and accordingly, designing should be done. It's all about artistry. With every patient, we carefully do the analysis. Hairline should look very natural. Optimum utilization of grafts which bring real change is very important. Area selection is another important aspect for successful hair transplant. Now recently we have launched NeoGraft Hair Transplant. It's an FDA cleared machine used for hair transplantation, uses a minimally invasive method, provides absolute exact harvesting and placement, delivering repeatable results. Quick recovery time, minimal downtime, patients can typically go back to work in a day, and up to 2000 grafts can be harvested in 2 hours.
Instead, if you can see, these are long hair that we directly implant. Now this is a very unique type of hair transplant which we also name as celebrity hair transplant. And the secret is that this sort of a transplant gives a very heavy density. Under this technology, artificial hair is implanted into the recipient area as a replacement of natural hair. These hair will be having a length of minimum 15 till 45 centimeter. Since the hair are very long, the result is instant, and very natural. If the patient needs to add more thickness to the artificial hair, another transplant surgery for thickening of hair can be done with a long hair transplant. Now there are very few authorized clinics in the country to do this, and luckily we are very proud to announce that we are also best among them. It is also successful for people who have burns, alopecia or a poor donor area to have something instant. Now we'll show you some more pictures about our patients who have undergone hair transplant with us. This is how we do mapping of the area. This is the result of robotic hair transplantation. If you see the front, it's all robotic.
आज मुझे देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है और मुझे आज वो पहला दिन याद आ रहा है जब मैंने एक पहला पेशेंट अटेंड किया था। ये आज से 35 इयर्स पहले की बात है। उस टाइम मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतनी प्रॉब्लम होगी, पर आज जब मैं देखती हूँ तो मेरे 35 इयर्स में हम लोग मिनिमम 18 लाख पेशेंट अटेंड कर चुके हैं। और आज जब पहली बार हमने ये हमारे लिए एक मजाक था कि हमने सोचा कि बाल तो जाते ही हैं, ट्राई करके देखते हैं आते हैं कि नहीं आते। तो शुरू में तो हमने हर्बल मेडिसिन्स वगैरह से ट्राई किया, उसके रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छे निकले। उसके बाद मैंने देखा कि खाली बाल की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, या तो स्काल्प की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है। किसी को एलोपेशिया है, किसी को फॉलिंग हेयर है, किसी को साइनस की वजह से जा रहे हैं। हमने फिर डायग्नोस करना शुरू किया और दिन ब दिन फिर हमने रिसर्च करी। आज मुझे ये बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आज इसको मेरे बच्चे संभाले। आज मेरे बच्चे सब लगे हुए हैं और इसका एक ऐसे मुकाम पर पहुंचाया है कि आज एक पूरी इंडस्ट्री बन चुकी है।
What the basic idea of this thing is to bring world-class treatments, the newest innovations in all our different prospects like gynae and ortho and cosmetic and like a number of things, and that too at the best prices so that the patient at the end of the day feel wholly and fully satisfied and content. So this is that.
Thank you for joining us.